How can I add the sqlite3 module to Python? Can someone tell me how to install the sqlite3 module alongside the most recent version of Python? I am using a MacBook, and on the command line, I tried. But an error pops up.
You don't need to install sqlite3 module. It is included in the standard library since Python 2.5.
For Python version 3.
I have Python 2.7.3 and this solved my problem.
Normally, it is included. However, as at NGN 999 said, if your Python has been built from source manually, you'll have to add it. Here is an example of a script that will set up an encapsulated version, virtual environment, of Python 3 in your user directory with an encapsulated version of sqlite3. Why do this? You might want a modular Python environment that you can completely destroy and rebuild without affecting your managed package installation. This would give you an independent development environment. In this case, the solution is to install sqlite3 modularly too.
If you have error in SQLite built in Python, you can use conda to solve this conflict.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.